afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Cafecito Time, just like every Wednesday. Today, I want to first of all thank Mari Carmen Salud, one of our clients, that sent us this beautiful gift. If you were here, you would smell how nice the candle is. And now, I want to introduce to you Cynthia Perez. She is one of the lenders in our office. So welcome, Cynthia.
Thank you, Sonia. I'm super excited to be here, so let's get started.
Yes. So Cynthia, let's get started with why does a person need to be pre-qualified before we even start looking at homes?
Definitely. It is so important to get pre-qualified. One of the first questions any realtor, any real estate agent is going to ask you is, have you been pre-approved? The main reason is because they want to make sure, what's your buying power? How much can you afford? What properties should they be showing you? So that's the main reason why it's so important to get pre-approved.
So another question that we get asked a lot, does my credit score affect my final interest rate when I get pre-qualified? Can you please talk about that?
Sure, it does. So point blank, if you have a lower score, your pricing will be affected. And that's one of the reasons, again, in that consultation that we would do, we talk about, if you decide to purchase at this moment with this particular FICO, this is the pricing that you would get. There can be plans. We can set a plan in place. We can show you how to maybe increase your credit score, and you can see, what the difference would be with the interest rate once you get to a particular credit score.
So Cynthia, let's talk about PMI, private mortgage insurance.
Definitely. So that's a big one that a lot of first-time home buyers, or just in general, a lot of clients, it's something that not everybody understands, right? And so PMI is basically when somebody purchases a home and they don't put in that 20% down, you're going to have PMI. So depending on the amount of down payment, whether you put 3.5%, whether you put 5, 10, or 15%, that's going to make the difference on how much PMI you're going to pay monthly. So it's just an additional insurance because you didn't put in that 20%.
And by the way, the PMI only benefits the bank. It does not benefit you. It's not something that you're going to be able to deduct at the end of the year.
Correct.
Cynthia, can you talk about the different programs that are available for the home buyers?
Sure. So the most common program for first-time home buyers is going to be the FHA program. The FHA program allows you to come in with 3.5% down payment. The guidelines are more flexible, so even if you have a lower score, things like that, FHA is going to be ideal. We have the conventional, which is more traditional, right? It's going to be 5% minimum. The guidelines are a little different, a little bit higher credit scores, things like that. It's all going to come down to pricing at the end, and those are things that obviously your lender would go over with you at the time. And then, of course, for our self-employed clients, there is the stated income or the tax return loans. So those are always an option as well.
So Cynthia, FHA program, we know that is usually for first-time home buyers, and that the minimum is 3.5%. However, if somebody has a low FICO score but has a lot more money to put down, they can definitely apply and use an FHA program, right?
Correct. Yes, definitely. So, depending on everybody's circumstance, sometimes the credit score is lower, but they do have money saved and they want to put 5, 10, 15%. Great. So the point is that we have options, and it's going to take, again, is having that consultation, having that pre-approval so that we can see where your score is at, how much money you have saved, and we can put you in the right selection. In closing, I'd just like to say, even if you're not ready at the moment, at the time that we do the pre-qualification, maybe you're missing a little bit of, more savings, maybe the score's not there yet. The point is that we want to get you there. We want to have a plan in place. Let us help you set a plan, set a goal, so that you know exactly what steps to take so that your dream of home ownership can be complete.
Definitely so. With us, we're looking for clients for a lifetime.
Definitely.
And to be able to help a client, whether it is right away or within a year or two, it's okay. It's all about the right timing and what is going to work out the best for our clients. With that, I want to wish everybody a good week. And don't forget, please send us your questions. Thank you.
Thank you.